Hi friends, my name is Abhimanyu Bhattacharjee, and as you all know, I am a booktuber and I am making videos on this book. And the name of this book is The Laws of the Spirit World. Okay, and as I said that this book is this long, so I cannot make full video on one full book on one video. So what I'm doing is I'm making videos on each and every topic, one video on each topic, so that you can understand. And even I'm giving a number to each and every video, so whenever you, even if you come to fifth video or sixth video, you can directly go from first video and see, so that you will understand, you will enjoy. Okay, and you do comment in the comment section if you have any doubts, any question, you can connect me. I do reply the comments, and you can also do one thing, you can mail me at abhimanyubhattacharjee1906 at the gmail.com, and even you can connect with me on Instagram. So I will start today's topic. Okay, so in our last video we have covered this beast of burden, right? So in our today's video I'm going to cover, is it godly to help everyone? Okay, so I will start. 24th April 1981, 24/4/1981. Is it godly to help everyone? This is the topic, and this will be the 13th video. Okay, friends. It is a great privilege to know the real laws of God Almighty. You must have heard people say it is godly to help everyone. Yes, of course, it is godly to help, but not everyone. This is very important thing which Vipsi and Ratu is telling via Khurshid Bhavnagri. He is telling that we always often heard that definitely we should help everybody. We should help everybody. But here Vipsi and Ratu is telling we should help everybody, but not everyone. We should never help everyone. Special this topic is telling, and there is a special chapter over this topic. It is good to help your fellow men, but you cannot help all your fellow men. As some are positively evil, it is up to you to find out which people you should help and which people you should not. Because if you help an evil soul, you are encouraging evil. So this is a very important point which Vipsi and Rato is telling. Vipsi and Rato is telling we should always help uh, the people, but we should not help each and every people, because we should think whether that soul is a good soul or whether soul is a bad soul. If it is a positive soul, for example, if somebody comes to you for a positive reason, for example, they are not understanding anything in studies, they said please show us, you can help them. If somebody have a very pure intention and ask help to you, you can help them. But if somebody have a negative intention, somebody want to harm some other person and they said that I need your help, can you help me, we should never help, because the intention of that person is wrong. This Vipsi and Ratu is telling in this video. So have you done right? Is this what gods want you to do? Think, and you will understand that you are harming yourself as well as evil souls. So, God, Vipsi and Ratu is telling to us by the God that God always wants us to help everybody, but not negative soul. Because we are, if we are helping negative soul, we are definitely harming their spiritual journey also, and even our spiritual journey also. You will say, I won't help an evil person in murdering or harming anyone. We do understand you wouldn't do that. But if you help that evil person by even giving food, money or clothing to him, is it wrong? So here a question has been asked. Here a question is asked, for example, if some person have a negative intention or some person have an intention to kill somebody. So now I said I will not help that person in this negative intention. But if I help that person by giving food or clothes or a shelter, is that correct? So this is a question. Now let's see what the answer is being given. Yes, it is absolutely wrong. It is wrong because by giving him this, he sustain his energy and continues to do more evil. Yes, here God is giving this answer. why Vipsi and Ratu is telling via Korshed Bhavnagari to us. Even if there is a negative person, who we often say that there is a negative person and he is committing some crime, we won't help them in committing that crime, but we can give them food, water or something. But Vipsi and Ratu is telling even we should not give them a single penny. We should not give them water, we should not give them food, we should not give them clothes, we should not give them shelter or any kind of help, because at the end you are also committing a sin by helping that negative person. By your what you call, by your support only he will commit that crime, so you are also equally responsible for that crime, so you should not help that evil soul. So it is against God laws to give even a little help to such soul, as they will go on harming other if you help them. So this is God laws. Even you should not help those souls by giving a single food, water, so that by your encouragement those souls will harm other souls. Be firm with an evil person. If you are not firm, you are encouraging him. By doing so, you are also of the same category. Here, Vipsi and Rato is again telling never ever help any evil soul, because in any form, whether it is food, whether it is water, because we often see what's there, the food doesn't have any religion or water doesn't have any religion, let help him, although he's negative. But here Vipsi and Rato is telling even us by single penny also we should not help this negative type of soul, because we are helping them, we are encouraging them in committing crime, so we are also equally responsible for that crime of the same sinful. Suppose you pass a starving man lying on the road and you feel it is your duty to give him some money or food. You cannot ask him whether he is an evil person, and if he is evil, he would definitely not tell you the truth. So here a very good question has been asked. Here Vipsi and Rato is telling, for example, we are going in road and some person is lying down. So we don't know that person is good person or that person is bad person. Now the question is, should we help that person? Because if we ask, are you a evil soul? Nobody will tell that I am a evil soul. So in that situation, what to be done? So this is the answer. So you didn't know at all whether he is evil or good, and your heart tells you to give him something because he is starving. If your heart says so, you have to give him something because you are absolutely ignorant of that man's character. But if you knowingly give charity to an evil man or help him, it means you yourself are also evil. Otherwise, you would not give an evil person any kind of help. Yes. So, very important point is here. Now, Vipsi and Ratu is saying, if, for example, we are going in a road and we are seeing a person or a beggar lying down. Now, should we help that person or should we not help person? So Vipsi and Rato is telling, if we ask that person, are you evil or are you good? He's all not going to tell. So now, what to do in this situation? So Vipsi and Rato is telling, if your heart says, if my heart says I should help, then help him. No issues. But if your heart says no, don't help him, then never help him. So it depends upon your heart. And even if he's a evil soul, you do not know, so you are not committing a crime. This is God's law. Now, in this point, Vipsi and Ratu is exactly talking about the God law, as the topic of this chapter is it godly to help everyone? You would say, but he is starving, so should I watch him die of hunger? No, it is not human. So give him food, but never help him in another ways except when that evil person has repented for his deeds. Okay. So here again there is a question raised. Ki, for example, a person is lying on the road. Should if we are helping, what kind of help can we give him? Money, food, what to give? So here Vipsi and Ratu is telling, if you go in roadside, if you see any person lying, so only you give him food, no money, nothing else. Because if you are giving him money or any else, that means you're supporting a crime. That means you're supporting a crime. So never ever give him a single penny. If you feel your heart cries for that person, give him food, but nothing apart from that. This means he has really repented and keenly and genuinely want to improve. He is telling to this to us. That means if we are doing this, we are trying to improve day by day. In that case, you must help him in whatever way you can. It is your duty to help bringing him out of evil influences and progress to a higher level. So Vipsi and Rato is telling it is our duty to help that if any soul is there who is evil soul, we know that person, we should help him to come out of the and develop a positive thinking in that man. That is real God deeds. But you should only give him support if he really repents and genuinely wants to improve. Here again Vipsi and Rato is telling we should only give him support if he or she genuinely wants to improve. That's it. Nothing apart from that. Help a good man in doing good deeds. Go out of your way to help the good. Here Vipsi and Rato is telling if somebody is doing a good thing, for example any kind of thing, it is a good thing, you can go out of the box, out of your limit to help that person, but only if that person, if that soul is doing a good thing. But make sure your deed is selfless, your action should be purely selfless. Here Vipsi and Rato is telling but our deed should be selfless and our action should be also purely selfless, because many a time if we have any expectation from that person, it is not correct, which is being told by Vipsi and Rato. That's why you should know about helping people, and we are sure you will never go wrong. Here Vipsi and Rato is telling to us, we readers, that Vipsi and Rato is confident those who are reading this book can never go wrong in their life. So this chapter comes to an end, friends. Now our next chapter is earthly crime versus sins. So this is going to be our next chapter. I hope all of you friends have enjoyed this video, and this is the book. This is the book, The Laws of the Spirit World, and you should all read it because this book is really nice and I recommend all of you. As I always say, this book is this long, so I cannot make the full book on one video. So what I am doing is I am recording topic by topic, so that you people could understand, you people could connect with me. If you have any doubt, you can connect me on Instagram and ask me question. You can direct message me, you can DM me, I will give answer to each and every question. Okay, so today's video comes to an end. Bye friends, we'll meet in the next video. Okay.